Before a plane takes off, safety must already be at work. In the airport maintenance facility, every bolt, every engine, every second is critical. Security must be unstoppable, because operations never sleep. With precision installation and trusted performance, 𝙤𝙖 technology is the real hero who watches over the backbone of aviation. Its mission focused on airport operation, that secure national critical infrastructure. Ready for any challenge, protecting valuable equipment, securing access zones, keeping every technician safe. Every detail captured, every risk deterred. Installed by experts, trusted by airports. 𝙤𝙖 Pro, securing what keeps the world moving.